Hello at my factory. Where's the engine? Engine is missing. My car engine gets down and I purchased this as donor just because it have good engine. Okay, let's go take a look on engines. So here is two engines. This is my old engine and that is engine from donor car. This engine is 1.9 liter turbo diesel Volkswagen Group engine. It have 70 horsepower and 140 Newton meters. So, and I used it 8 years and now it's give up. Well, and here is another Volkswagen Group engine, 2.4 liter atmospheric diesel. It have around 80 horsepower and 164 Newton meters. Well, this sounds better than this, but legends tell that these engine cases can run over 1 million kilometers. About these engines, well, no idea. Gearbox is the same, and I did lot of walk around here. I changed all belts, make maintenances, get new parts. In trash bin I just dropped parts that I changed. I have some list with things that I purchased for engine, like timing belts with two timing belts with roller, oils, antifreeze, parts for generator, to another belts, I mean for power steering and alternator, seals for crankshaft, and that's it. Couple of items I wanted to exchange, but I didn't it. Also I changed this pipe, what is like a thickness on these engines, because it's get old and start leaking. Actually, I already taken off few parts from this engine and then set on this engine. It's called assembly 1 from 2, and by the way, for this part, this is from that engine, and the original one is get red. I don't know why. It was just in bad shape and I exchange it. So I want to make it running while it's in workshop, and then I install it in my car. So thanks for the watching, good luck and have a nice day.